my channel. Today it is chili tofu. I'm going to make this in Manchurian style. It's an awesome snack, a healthy and high protein snack for children when you have it on a vegetarian day. Especially when there's a downpour, this snack goes very well in it. So let's get into the video and start with the recipe. Okay, I have taken three tofu. Okay, I'm going to cut it up into small cubes. I'm going to marinate the tofu first. I've taken 3 tofu. I've cut it up in cubes like this. And this will be ginger garlic paste, about 1 tablespoon. And this is yogurt, 2 tablespoons. And curry leaves, I've chopped it. And this one is fennel powder, 1 tablespoon. This is turmeric, half teaspoon. This Kashmiri Chilli Powder, 1.5 tablespoon. And this is Besan, it's kadla maavu in Tamil. Besan powder, 2 tablespoons. And this is rice flour, 1 tablespoon. And salt to taste. These are the ingredients to marinate the tofu. I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of oil towards the end and mix it and leave it for about 10 minutes. Okay, let's get started with the marinating. First the ginger garlic paste. The turmeric powder. This is fennel powder. This is Kashmiri Chilli Powder. Curry leaves. This is thick yogurt, 2 tablespoons. Adding the tofu. Give it a quick mix. Salt. Just add to your taste. Now I'm going to add the rice flour. And then the besan flour, kadla maavu. Give it a quick mix and set it aside to marinate for about 10 minutes. So I'm going to cover it and let it rest for about 10 minutes. Okay, it's been marinating for about 10 minutes. Cooking oil. Cover and let it rest for about 5 minutes. Adding oil to fry the tofu. Just flip it on the other side. Just put in big lumps. Just drain the oil nicely and take it out. Adding 1 teaspoon of oil. Stir it. Okay, the chili tofu is ready now to serve.